Hey, good morning. What's happening, y'all? I'm just getting up, getting around. I thought I'd show you guys this new product I came across. It's called Peace Water. It's supposed to help keep your pipes clean. So I spent about 45 minutes on this pipe yesterday. I used it for about 2 weeks straight. And all I did was dump the water out every day and put new water in it. It got pretty dirty and pretty nasty. It took about 45 minutes to clean it. So I bought this a couple months ago. Just haven't got a chance to use it yet. Here you can enter to win a 3-month supply by sending them a picture, letting them know, giving them a review. So maybe that's what this video will be good for. Yeah, these are instructions. Start with a clean pipe. Shake the Peace Water solution gently. Add Peace Water solution to the water pipe. Enjoy. Alright, well, you get 3 bottles. Kind of cool looking bottles. It was 20 bucks for 3 bottles, so it's not too bad. Let's do it like this. Set this over to the side. And here's what it looks like. Peace Water Solutions. Let's add this to the pipe. Oh, I didn't shake it up. Let's do that. Shake gently. Should we shake gently? Alright, a little gently shake. Let's add that just over the infuser. Yeah, I like that. So 1 pipe's worth was, oh, I don't know, 15% of the bottle. So you get 4, 5, 6, quite a few bong fills with it. Alright, well, let's make this video short and quick, to the point. There's the solution. This will be a part 1 of 2-part video. I'm not going to empty that solution out. I'm going to keep that solution in there until the pipe is completely filthy. And actually, if I remember correctly, getting this solution over the whole thing is important too. Okay. So there we are. So I'll use that for 30 days or so. And I'll come back and do a second video and we'll see how that turns out. It says it tastes great, natural. So I packed a bowl full of my favorite tobacco, and let's take a hit and just see how it tastes. It's thicker than water. It restricts the airflow, that's for sure. You have to hit it harder, but didn't change the flavor at all. So we'll come back 30 days or so from now and do a second video. You guys have a great day.